like this. Okay, I will film like this, like a real blogger. So hi. I don't want to see what I'm pointing at. So I'm just gonna do like that. Who is steering, you will ask? Yeah, nobody. Like always. Like we're the true sailors. We just put the autopilot and then we adjust the sails. Go take a nap. It's all mine.
Aww, that's so cute. Yeah. Just to prove that Leo also lies on the sofa. Likes to film me every time I do it. But I'm not the only one. We're just sailing in between the islands of Fournoi. Leo's quickly gonna make us a really delicious, nutritious
Noodle soup.
Yes. Because we only have 20 minutes and then we will most likely be lying on the side again. Maybe we have less than 20 minutes, honestly.
Yeah, or maybe we don't get any wind.
Yeah, we'll see.
The area here between Ikaria and Fournoi is apparently the most windy area in the region. You have the katabatic winds in the south side of Ikaria, and then in Fournoi it just funnels through. So yeah, if you get stuck here with a strong Miltemi, you might be stuck for good, but
yeah.
Or you might not feel comfortable leaving, but if you do leave, then after a few miles it gets just better. But it's
so we're getting out of here.
We're doing 5.9 knots just with the Genoa. We're so lazy. And now we are going to Leipsoi. We were in Arkoi for 2 days.
Yes.
3 days.
With your daddy.
With my daddy.
What about daddy?
On a very windy anchorage, it was blowing over 20 knots the entire time. Daddy tried to get to Ikaria today, but it was too windy and they went to Patmos instead. So yeah, it's picking up again. We have only the Genoa on and we are flying downwind with 6 knots, 20 knots of wind. So it's pretty nice. It is great sailing weather. Can you see anything?
No. Can't see anything at all. I'm just feeling the ocean.
Do you feel the ocean?
Like me and the ocean, we're like this. I'm feeling her rhythm.
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, just keep steering.
I'm steering. Whee! That was a freak wave, that was not me.
A freak wave, yeah.
Yeah, it was a freak wave.
3 meters.
It was insane. Like you can't tell on the camera, but basically it was a slight small tsunami behind me.
Yeah, it lifted us so high.
Yeah, it was crazy. I could see all the way to Turkey. Anchor in Greece, sunshine, wind, and Cody's on shore for kayak! Yeah! Yeah! You wanna go chase it, but you can't. You can't. No.
Made it to Kalymnos! So this is Kalymnos for you, a slack line, steep climbable rocks, and an epic anchorage.
Look at you! Come on, you can do it! Yeah, come on, you can do it! Woo! Oh.
This is boring.
No, because you can't do it. Aww.
Film the surrounding is much prettier than I am.
No. You're pretty too. I have two animals. A dog and a monkey. Kai! Kai! Yeah, what is he doing? What is he doing? Get out of the water, Daddy! Dangerous! So, can you just tell me about what happened last night at the anchorage and how is it connected to what we found out this morning?
Well, we were in this very narrow little bay anchored. In the middle of the night suddenly like huge waves hit us in there and like really big, like it was really rattling around things that normally don't falling down.
It had been so quiet.
It had been so quiet. It must have been a big boat passing by. So then this morning we sailed down here around the northwestern cape of Kos and I see a mast like very tiny near the rock. I'm like, this can't really be, you know? And it's not really moving, so I grab my binoculars and see it's a sunken boat and the mast is sticking out and I'm thinking like, when did this happen, you know? So I checked the local news and it must have been a refugee boat, a sailboat that sunk last night with 150 4 refugees crossing from Turkey. They're all fine. Luckily it wasn't. It was a calm night, as we said. Perhaps this this rescue mission had also a couple of big Navy or Coast Guard boats.
Might explain why a big boat came by our little anchorage in the middle of the night in what must have been quite a high speed to make those waves.
There were 20 children, like 14 women, but they all rescued themselves on the rocks. I think that have been like a heavy north wind, that would have been very nasty.
Yeah.
So luckily they're all safe.
This is the first time we've been close to any refugee related situation in Greece.
Yeah, but it happens every day.
It happens every day, but I guess the closer we are really close to Turkey now, so
yeah, also
these crossings do.
Latest reports show that Frontex is being accused of, I don't know, numerous illegal pushbacks of immigrants. Hi, Captain.
Hi.
Where are you taking us?
I don't know. I don't like being filmed.
Just ask you.
I said no.
And then you fixed
And then
it.
you took up the camera anyway, like a goddamn paparazzi. Don't zoom in on me.
So, where are we
Back
going?
off, mister.
Where are we going?
I don't know. This is Nisyros. Nisyros?
Yeah.
Nisyros? I don't know.
Nisyros.
Nisyros.
And what's about?
Danish Nisyros. Nisyros.
And what's special about Nysiros?
It's a volcano.
And are we going there?
Yes.
The crater of Nisyros.
We're at Stephanos crater today, and this is a big volcano crater here on Nysiros Island. Yeah? Is that correct?
It's correct, yeah.
Okay. I don't know much about it so far except for the fact that it smells really bad. Like rotten egg, big time. Way worse than when Leo goes to the toilet. So it's really bad.
Rotten egg with a little bit of taste of burnt bacon.
Ugh.
Still smoking.
Someone lost their hat here. Decided it wasn't worth risking their lives for a blue hat. Do you have insights about this crater now, babe?
Of course, I studied.
Yeah, because you grew up in Greece, not because you know how to Google.
No, so Nisyros was created somewhere around 150,000 years ago by the eruption of the crater.
Yes.
And after that it has remained still, but the latest eruption was in 1888.
So we're due for another one really soon.
We are due to another one because the intervals are like 150,000 years. So.
Great. Do you think we should leave?
No.
I want to leave.
But in 1888 there was a major steam explosion. A lot of steam, but still it's happening. And then I think there was some activity again in the late 90s, which created, which forced them to put some more monitoring equipment up to monitor the activity.
Okay.
But nothing really has happened since.
Alright. So we hope that nothing will happen again. Or at least not today.
So Pernille has been constantly complaining about the smell.
It's bad.
While I like it, so that either could mean two things.
What?
That she has not been used to bad smells because I always smell fresh. Or whatever. Like it?
Not the smell, but the view is really good.
Good.
I really feel like watching our YouTube is the best way to experience this crater.
Watching on YouTube.
Yeah, you get the views, not the smell. It's very beautiful here.
But it smells.
It smells.
Okay.
Now we are gonna get out of here before I puke. Okay, say something smart if you can.
Still up to today, the African tectonic plate is merging with the Eurasian plate, creating this amazing volcanic arc, including Nisyros, Milos, Santorini, and many others we are not aware of, creating this spectacular landscape in the middle of Europe.
Wow, babe, I didn't know you could do such things.
If half of this was precise.
Just pretend like it is. Being right is mostly confidence.
After twisting this bad boy more than 10 times, it now flies nicely and we are off to Tylos! Woo-hoo! Bye bye, Nisyros!
Oh, that looks good. Oh, now you look pro.